Back everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason you keep getting a little error that says Instagram user is not found. So essentially what this is let's say you click the search button here, right? And you try to search for somebody. And as you can see, I just went ahead and just searched up some random little, characters like this and I click search. Well, sometimes you may get this little thing that says no results found for whatever that username was. If you click on accounts, you can see no results for this either. So if it isn't able to find a username or account associated with that, that may mean that the username that the person gave you or the username you're typing in is completely wrong. So you're probably going to have to go ahead and find that actual appropriate username. That's probably the first thing I would recommend doing. And that's usually the easiest way to fix this problem. Now, if for some reason you go ahead and you double and triple check that the username you typed in is completely right, well, that user may have temporarily disabled their account. They may have deactivated their account, or there's a possibility they may have blocked you as well. Those are three things that are typically the most common reasons of why you're not able to find a specific username when you're typing it in. So what that means is if you click on the search button, you type in their username and it still doesn't show up, but you can verify, by typing their username in on like a private browser or something like that, that their account still exists. Well, that may mean they blocked you. So you may have to go ahead and, figure out why they blocked you or something like that. That's a personal matter. But if you type in their username on a ton of other, like a private browser or something like that, and you're still not able to find them, well, that may mean that the username they have is not, working. So the username they gave you is probably changed now or something, or their account has been banned, or their account has been blocked, or their account has been deactivated. So there's a lot of things that come into play. So meaning it's either, they blocked their account, they deleted their account, or it's something that, you don't really have any control over and they may have blocked you, which totally happens, it's totally okay. But those are some reasons why you may be getting into this little pop-up error. So that kind of covers it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.